Started out this morning in the usual way, chasing thoughts inside my head of all that I had to do today. Another time around the circle, try to make it better than the last.
I opened up the Bible and read about me and you. Said I've been a prisoner and God's grace has set me free. Somewhere between the pages, it hit me like a lightning bolt. I saw a big frontier inside of me, and I heard somebody say, let's go. Saddle up your horses, we got a trail to blaze. Whoa, through the wild blue yonder of God's amazing grace. Let's follow our leader into the glorious unknown. This is a life like no other. Whoa, whoa, this is a great adventure.
So come on and get ready for the ride of your life. Gonna leave long-faced religion in a cloud of dust behind and discover